Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning out our fridge, organizing a little bit, and cleaning out our pantry most importantly. It definitely needs some organizing, so I hope that it inspires you. And you enjoy this video. So let's just get right into cleaning. Okay, so this is the mess. Very, you know, real life stuff, just throwing everything anywhere I could. So I really just have to go through stuff, put them in the shelves where they're supposed to be, organized, get rid of anything if we need to get rid of anything. So yeah, let's just get right into this. Okay, so this might not be the cleanest pantry ever, but we don't have a lot of food storage in our house, so this will have to do. It's still at least a little bit more organized. I put some sauces that I do use a lot, but they don't need to be with the oils, even though of course olive oil is right there, but it's just because it's so big. So I keep my pastas and rice up there, then some cereal and some oil and panko crumbs. And then this one is kind of like a dinner slash soup, like, you know, lots of cans and whatnot, shelf with some extra oils. And then this is kind of like more snacks. So there's crackers, there's also dressings, some salad toppers, mac and cheese, oats, and then like couscous and whatnot. And then this is still the dessert shelf, so got our cookies. The mister's crying right now because he's not getting attention, but oh, but some iced tea, some cookies, cookie mix, cake mix, jelly, peanut butter, you know, the good stuff. And then this is stuff that we're getting rid of. Tyler loved black and white cookies, but he didn't like these that we got, so gotta throw these away. I just took the last roll and put it there. Same with the Pop-Tarts. Just took the last one. And then this, there's one left, but Tyler doesn't like those, so. And this I used a while ago, and I think I should just get rid of it. So yeah, all done. Do you want some lovin'? Do you want some lovin', handsome? Good boy. You sweet boy. So that is what it ended up looking like. I'm still pretty happy about how organized type it is. It looks a lot cleaner, I think. I don't know, but. So now let's go on to the fridge, mister. Actually, since I'm right next to the pantry, do you want to see our office? It was way worse before I let you in. It was so bad. Now we have everything in the middle of the room, and we took a little bit of the garbage out. Ooh, look at that. But if you didn't know, we are ginormous Mets fans. So we decided to start painting the walls orange and blue. So we're gonna do a top strip of orange, and then we're going to do dark blue on the rest of the wall. So it's gonna be like the walls on the field. And yeah, because we've been collecting so much Mets memorabilia, and there's those shows that they show before the game that is all about like people dedicating their house or their basement to Mets. So we decided to do Tyler's office Mets themed. So it is gonna be looking really cool, but we did get into a bit of an argument yesterday over the whole painting because, you know, I thought we should use tape for the molding, but he did not. And now there's some on the molding, so now we're gonna have to paint the molding after everything's done. And now look at that. He started taping for the blue, so. I guess I won that argument, huh, mister? Come on. Come on. It's too much of a mess in there. Okay, so now onto the fridge. Honestly, it's not so bad because we don't have too many things, but I just need to clean it up, honestly. I'm not gonna do anything with this because it's pretty much good since the last time I did that big deep clean like a week or two ago. So I just want to organize it a bit more, and that's all. This is, pretty sure it's baby, like, you know, toddler type food, but I saw it in the plant-based section and I had to get it to try. So yeah, let's clean up a tiny bit. Okay, so easy peasy. I just organized it up a bit for the fruit, yogurt, some hummus, some more fruit, cheese, and eggs, and Tyler's chicken, and then grapes, mashed potatoes, tomato sauce, with some pickles back there. And then this is still the drinks, beer, almond breeze, you know, some soda. And then there's all good. I went through that like a day or two ago. It's just our fruits and veggies. So it's nice. It just looks a bit cleaner when you open the fridge. All done. And this is still in June, so I'll change that. Okay, so now it is on July. Pretty sure I don't have like any of the stuff that we have planned on here really, but you can see going to Disney at the end of July. So there will be some Disney content coming your way. Just popping in to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and if you'd like to, please subscribe. I post every single Tuesday and Friday cleaning content with a little bit of Disney every once in a while. Not so recently, but we will get there soon because I have a trip planned at the end of this month. So I hope you stick around. Thanks for watching. Bye!